Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frames for Bitcoin. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, the first key levels we can notice, as always, is our swing high here and our swing low. As price came up, hit this level, it reversed drastically, and as price hit this key level, it reversed drastically, which is obvious to spot here on the 15-minute time frame. So, we also notice a key level right here, which is obvious to see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level here, as we notice multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. And another key level we can notice is right around here. And we can go ahead and draw in a zone here, as we have multiple reactions. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. As resistance and support. Notice how price breaks through, retest before going up to our other key level here. Now we notice a rejection here. So we have resistance, support, resistance, resistance, and we see price right now sitting as a support level. As when price breaks through a key level, what was once now resistance turns support. So, if we can go ahead and hop to the 5-minute time frame, we can see this more clearly. Notice how price hit and reversed, hit and reversed, hit, reversed. Now that price is broken through the key level, we notice it finding some support. So, key levels, once broken, now flip. As this was once a previous resistance, now we can assume this as a support. Now, from the 15-minute to the 5-minute time frame, there isn't much we can change about our key levels. We can go ahead and plot a key level on the mid-range here, as we notice reactions as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot on the 5-minute, but most of our key levels are the same, as we notice price reacting to the key level here, key level here, and the key level here. Looking at this key level here, it's very obvious to see how the 5-minute price action respects the 15-minute key levels. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.